Today I'm going to be unboxing monsterjam superhero monster trucks. I have 8 trucks in total. I have 4 singles and I have 2 double packs. The trucks are Captain America vs. Winter Soldier, The Amazing Spider-Man, Thanos vs. Thor, Black Panther, S.H.I.E.L.D, and another Thor truck. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be racing all these trucks down my track to see which one's the fastest. All right, let's get these trucks open. Let's start with the Amazing Spider-Man. For people keeping track, this is from Series 3. Here's the back. That one opened pretty easy. This one's nice. This is always my favorite thing to do, is spin the wheels to start. I like the white on this truck. This is a nice truck. The spider's nice. Next, let's open Thanos vs. Thor. This one's also from Series 3. Same as the Amazing Spider-Man. Here's the back. That one was a lot tougher to open. Made up for how easy the Spider-Man truck was. First, let's look at Thor. Or not Thor, this is Thanos. Sorry. Love spinning the tires. This one's got the Infinity Gauntlet here on the front. Nice gold paint. Blue. Purple rims. Let me know what you think of this truck. This one's nice. Back here, let's look at Thor. It's the other side. You got Thor's hammer on the back. Let's spin the wheels. That's my favorite thing to do. This one's nice. It's got nice paint. Let's put these. So let me know what you think of these three trucks so far. Now we're going to open the S.H.I.E.L.D truck. This one, Series 3. Here's the back. Alright, let's try to open this. Got the S.H.I.E.L.D logo on here. Monsterjam logo there. This is the back. This one's nice. I like this truck. Let's put them over here. Let's move the trucks a little bit better. There we go. All right, we're on to Black Panther. This one is from Series 1. Here's the back. Oh, so it comes with a little flag in here too. That's cool. Let's get that out of there. Black Panther, I don't know if you can see that. There it is. All right, here's the truck. Let's spin the wheels. Let's put the flag in. Oh, that's cool. It's got nice purple rims. this truck as well. There's the Monster Jam logo. I think this one might be the nicest one so far. Here, let me know what you think. Here, let's put this guy right here. All right, we got another double pack. This one's Captain America versus Winter Soldier. It's from Series 2. Here's the back. Right, let's figure out where to go for this one. Let's start with Captain America. Spin the wheels. This one's nice. This looks just like his uniform. Got his shield on the top. Nice colors. Put them right there. Next, the Winter Soldier. That's nice. Got the Monster Jam logo there. Last truck I'm going to be unboxing is Thor. This one's from Series 3. Let's look at the back. Right. I think I like this one better than the other Thor truck. Oh, let's spin the tires first. This is the same truck as the other Thor truck, but I think I like the paint on this one better. I like colors. You got the hammer on the back. Nice red rims. Let's do a comparison with the other Thor truck. They're both nice, but yeah, I kind of like the colors a little bit more than the gray. All right, let's get ready. Let's get racing now. Let's do a quick race down the track to see which truck is the fastest. First up, we got Thanos versus Thor. I think I'm going to go with Thanos on this. I think he just looks the fastest. Who do you think's going to win?
Winner, lane 2.
Yeah, well, I was wrong about that. Thor wins, and the truck I picked came in second place. So he's out. All right, now we've got Captain America versus the Winter Soldier. I'm going to go with the Winter Soldier to win. Let's see what happens.
Winner, lane 5.
Well, I'm 0 for 2. Captain America wins, and truck I picked, the Winter Soldier, is out. All right, now we have Thor versus Black Panther. I'm going to go with Thor on this. I'm 0 for 2, so hopefully I can win this race.
Winner, lane 2.
Well, I'm 0 for 3. Black Panther wins. Truck I picked, Thor, is out. Well, let's see if I can go perfect 0 for 4. It's S.H.I.E.L.D. versus the Amazing Spider-Man. I'm going with S.H.I.E.L.D.
Winner, lane 3.
Oh boy, 0 for 4. The Amazing Spider-Man moves on. And then once again, I picked the loser. S.H.I.E.L.D. is out. 4 trucks remain, and I didn't pick any of them to win. Hopefully I can pick a winner in the next round. It's Captain America versus Thor. I'm going with Thor to win. I eventually have to pick a winner.
Winner! Lane 4!
Captain America wins, and I'm still picking losers. Thor is out. So far, I'm terrible at picking winners. I'm 0 for 5. My instinct says the Amazing Spider-Man's going to win this, so I'm going to go with Black Panther.
Winner! Lane 4!
The Amazing Spider-Man wins, and I am 0 for 6, so I'm batting 1,000 for picking the loser. Black Panther is out. This is my last chance to pick a winner. So far, I'm 0 for 6. I'm going to go with the Amazing Spider-Man over Captain America.
Winner! Lane 5!
I finally picked the winner, the Amazing Spider-Man. That means Captain America is out. The fastest truck out of all these Monster Jam superhero trucks that I unboxed is the Amazing Spider-Man. I'd love to know what you thought of the race. Please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.